We started week number 5 with high expectations on a group that had part first-timers and part experts on these waters. Results after the first day confirmed our hopes, with 16 sea trout landed for the group. Monday kept on producing good numbers, another 14 sea trout for the book, now with a slight raise in the water level without affecting its color. Also 16 more sea trout landed by Wednesday, now with colder temperatures, as the news showed also some snow up in the top of the system. Thursday was actually the last fishing day, as by Friday morning the river starting to rise, a proper rise this time. High dirty water coming down now. No chance of fishing, but at least the warmth of the lodge and a glass of Malbec were there for everyone relaxing after a good week, and of course thinking of the lucky ones to arrive for a dropping and clearing river in week 6. Guide's setup of the week was again the light 12 to 13 feet 7-weight double handers with floating Scandi heads and floating 2 intermediate tips. Most productive beats along our stretch were again the top ones, 0, 1 and 2, even though the lower beats did their part as well. Top rod of the week was Chris E with 14 sea trout landed. Biggest fish was caught in Bridgepool by Chris Travis and was 22.5 pounds on the scale. The total number of sea trout landed was 66 out of a total of 86 hooked. Average weight was slightly larger this week, going 9.5 pounds. Regarding the brown trout, the biggest were in the 22 inches on a total of 78. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more reports.